I'm your Japanese teacher, Misaki. 皆さん元気ですか？ Misaki です。Today, I am going to teach you simple yet fundamental Japanese. At the end of this video, you'll be able to use simple greetings in right situation so that you can connect with Japanese people more easily and comfortably. Please just not watch. Practice many times as much as you can. Let's get started. Easy peasy Japanesey.
In Japan, we use de or ojigi, which is a Japanese bowing, to show respect to others, with words or without words. So it can be verbal communication or non-verbal communication. Now, you're going to learn some greeting phrases. Asa. In the morning, we say, おはようございます。おはようございます。This is the most formal way to say good morning. おはよう。おはよう。This is a little casual way to say morning to friends or family members. おはようございます。おはよう。Daytime, 昼。We say, こんにちは。こんにちは。You might wonder if you need to put ございます at the end. No. こんにちは. It's already very polite, so you don't need to put ございます at the end. This originally means today is こんにち means today はこんにちは. Today is nice day. Today is sunny day. So you can use this greeting to anybody. This is very polite way. 夜 evening or nighttime. You say こんばんは。こんばんは。Good evening. こんばんは。Again, this is very polite. And おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。Which means good night. Let's say you meet your friend at nighttime and you're going to leave that situation. Then you can say おやすみなさい or おやすみ in casual way. When you say goodbye, 別れるとき、さよなら、さよなら。You might hear さよなら. That's really easy and casual. さよなら。お礼をするとき when you say thank you. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。You might want to say something more when you visit Japan to show your respect or to appreciate to the service. But again, this ありがとうございます is really, really formal. So this is polite enough to say thank you to someone. ありがとう. Again, this is the casual way to say ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとう。Before you eat, ご飯を食べる前 You say いただきます。いただきます。We put your hands together in front of chest and say いただきます。After you eat, ご飯を食べた後 You say ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。ごちそう literally means feast. So thank you for the feast. Thank you for the food. Even for the convenience store food, you say ごちそうさまでした. That's kind of the manner. It's part of the culture. We say ごちそうさまでした. In casual way, we say ごちそうさま. This is showing appreciation for the meal, not just the meal, but also people who surrounded this dish. So for example, who made this dish, who grew the ingredients for this dish, you say thank you. You can put your hands together in front of your chest. ごちそうさま。ごちそうさま。When you get attention or say casually sorry, so this 注意を引くとき、軽く謝るとき。So the situation like you bump into someone at the station, you know, Tokyo Station, Kyoto Station, there are a bunch of people. You might accidentally bump into someone. You say, すいません。すいません. Then if you were told that, then you say, いいえ。いいえ。Excuse me, and no problem. Excuse me, no problem. すいません。いいえ。Just like that. When you leave home or send someone out, 出かけるとき、見送るとき。So when you leave home, you say, 行ってきます。行ってきます。To your family members or roommate. 行ってきます。I'm leaving. 行ってきます。行ってらっしゃい。This is when you send someone out. 行ってらっしゃい。行ってらっしゃい。I found this restaurant in Kyoto, Japan. People who is working at the restaurant, they say 行ってらっしゃい for customers who ate there. 行ってらっしゃい. So they want to make the feel of home and feel like a home, like a warm kind of feeling to it. And they say 行ってらっしゃい, so, which means the customer will come back. When you come home or welcome someone home, 帰ってきたとき、迎えるとき。You say, ただいま、ただいま when you come home. And when you welcome someone home, say, おかえりなさい。おかえりなさい。The casual way to say is おかえり. Just おかえり is fine. ただいま、おかえり. I'm home. Welcome back. ただいま、おかえりなさい. When you visit someone's home, 人の家に上がるとき、You might not heard about this, but when you are invited to someone's home and go into their house, you say お邪魔します。お邪魔します。邪魔 means in your way. So お邪魔します. I'm in your way. I'm gonna bother you, but it's also included. Thank you for having me. お邪魔します。お邪魔します. So next time when you are invited someone who speaks Japanese, you say お邪魔します when you go into the entrance. When you meet people for a long time, 久しぶりに会ったとき。お久しぶりです。お久しぶりです。Long time no see. お久しぶりです。In casual way, 久しぶり。久しぶり。When you welcome customers or guests, お客様を迎えるとき。You might have heard this if you have ever visited Japan. At the gift shop, they always say, いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。Or even at the shops, any shops at the mall or at the convenience store, they say, いらっしゃいませ. At the convenience store, they probably say, いらっしゃいませ. Like that. I used to work at the convenience store. いらっしゃいませ. It's not really there, but they say that. ようこそ。ようこそ。ようこそ sounds like a little bit more formal and welcome a lot of customers or a lot of guests. At the shop, they say いらっしゃいませ normally. You might have heard of this phrase もしもし もしもし We say that only on the phone 電話もしもし It means hello. Other useful greetings 便利な挨拶どうぞどうもどうぞどうもどうぞ means here you go. Yeah, it does. So when you give some change or when you pay or when you bring passport, hand the passport to the officer, say どうぞ. Domo, that's usually when you receive someone. Domo. Or other situation, dozo also means go ahead. So let's say you're at the elevator and then you want this person that go first. And dozo, after you. And domo, very casual way to say thank you. Thanks. Domo. Okay, that's all for today.
That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this simple Japanese lesson. Greetings are important in terms of connecting people, having communication, but in Japan especially, we valued politeness to others and do not bother someone. So it is worth to practice these greetings. Impress your family members, friends, whoever speaks Japanese around you. I hope you have a good luck with those. By the way, this is my latest Japanese lesson. Be sure to check that out too. 見てくれてありがとうございました。さよなら。